In my last video, I showed you exactly how I fixed the crepey skin on my neck, chest, and arms, and the response was incredible. Over 24,000 of you watched that video in just the first few days. One thing I heard loud and clear in the comments is that many of you are looking for alternatives to retinol. Maybe it's too irritating for your skin, or maybe you feel like you've hit a plateau. Well, today we're going beyond retinol into the world of stem cell skincare. I've been testing these high science products for years. In fact, I've used my top brand since 2022. Today, I'm going to break down 3 different stem cell skincare lines so you can decide which repair crew is right for your skin. And because I know how much you love a good deal, I want to tell you right up front, I have a 15% discount code for Calecim and a 15% discount code for Symbiome to help you save on these investments. I'll put those codes in the description box and in the first comment so they're easy for you to find while you watch. Now, if retinol is like a personal trainer pushing your skin to work harder, think of stem cells as the specialized repair crew that shows up with the actual building materials. As we get over 50 and certainly over 60, our skin's natural repair signals get a bit quiet. Stem cell products use growth factors to wake those signals back up, but not all stem cells are created equally. They can come from plants, animals, or humans, and where they come from matters for your results. Let's start with Tier 1, Calecim. This is my top performing brand of all time, both in my personal results and what you, my viewers, have loved and repurchased the most. What truly sets Calecim apart is their patented active ingredient called PTT6. This contains over 3,000 active growth factors and exosomes. It's derived from a very specific source, the lining of one single umbilical cord from a red-tailed deer. Now, they obtained everything they needed from that one source, one time. So every product is consistent and ethical. The star of the show is the Professional Serum. It has the highest concentration of PTT6. It's very liquid and absorbs instantly. Here's how I recommend using it. Now, first, for post-treatment. Now, if you get in-office microneedling or peels or anything like that, take this with you. Have your esthetician apply it immediately after a skin procedure and before other products. Second, at home. Use it after your own microneedling, red light therapy, or any other more intense procedures you do at home. Third is maintenance. I use it once or twice a week as a skin booster. I just take 3 drops from my face and neck and then 3 more drops specifically for that crepey skin on my chest and arms. If you're only going to try one other product in the Calecim line, make it the Multi-Action Cream. Now, this is actually the #1 seller for my viewers. It has that PTT6 stem cell ingredient plus linoleic acid to strengthen your skin barrier and vitamin E to hold in moisture. I use it at night or even in the morning if I need a little extra hydration. For a third option, consider the Recovery Night Complex. It's a thick, clear serum with collagen and hyaluronic acid. Now, one thing to note, because of the high stem cell content, these Calecim products have a bit of an earthy scent, but it dissipates quickly. Now, the only product with added fragrance is the Restorative Hydration Cream. So if you're sensitive to scents, keep that in mind. I've also been testing their newest product, the Eye Contour Lifting Cream. It's a light pink gel cream that helps with thinning skin and puffiness. I tap 1 pump around my eyes and use the leftovers above my lip. Now, full transparency, I always tell you what doesn't work for me. Their Professional Pigment Solution really didn't move the needle for my pigmentation. A few years ago, I read a blog post by Paula from Paula's Choice, and she said these pigmentation products either really work well for you or they don't work at all. And I'm in that don't category for this one, so I skip it. Lastly, they have a hair serum system that comes with its own microneedling device, which has been very successful for many people dealing with thinning hair. Now we're moving into Tier 2 and the Symbiome skincare brand. Now this is very different approach from Calecim. And I actually had a fascinating phone call with a representative from the company last year, and she explained something that really clicked for me. Human-sourced stem cells are designed to communicate perfectly with human skin. Now, while Calecim uses a very specific animal source, Symbiome uses a stem cell media derived from a one-time source of a single living human adult. There's no human DNA or actual cells in the final product, just the powerful media or growth factor ingredient that's actually been used in medical settings to heal burn wounds. It's pharmaceutical grade and incredibly pure. If you're someone who wants a very simple, clean routine, Symbiome is their brand. Their rep told me that many of their customers actually only buy 2 products, and that's what I have here. Now, first is the Essence Rejuvenating Mist. Now, I love this because it's a true ultra-fine mist. It doesn't leave your face wet or drippy. You spray this on immediately after cleansing. It's 10% stem cell media and helps restore those ancestral microbes we lose just by living in the modern world. And then second is the Answer Reparative Serum. This is their power product. 50% of this bottle is that stem cell conditioned media. Dermatologists have actually said that using this is functionally similar to a PRP, or what they call a vampire facial, because of how it triggers collagen. My routine using Symbiome is this. In the morning, I'll cleanse, spray on the Essence Mist, follow with my vitamin C serum, and then apply the Answer Restorative Serum. Now, it sinks in fairly quickly, and then of course, afterward, it's the morning, so I apply a sunscreen. If you want results, but you only want 2 or 3 steps in total, this is a fantastic way to go. And they've also provided a 15% discount code for you to try it out. Symbiome also sells cleansers, another serum, eye cream, face cream, and several facial oils if you like oils. Finally, we have Tier 3, Angela Caglia Skincare. You may not have heard of this brand yet, but in Hollywood, Angela is known as the Glow Girl. She's a celebrity esthetician who has treated some of the most famous faces in the world. Now we're talking like Barbara Streisand level. She developed her Cell Forte Serum because she wanted a single powerful product that could replace 4 different steps. So it replaces your vitamin C, your retinol, your hyaluronic acid, and your peptides. Like Symbiome, this stem cell product is human-derived, but it's specifically sourced from adipose, which is fat, mesenchymal stem cells from healthy young donors. What makes this formula unique is her bio-MSC technology. It's a conditioned media broth that's hand-cultured in small batches to keep all those regenerative signals active. Since the Cell Forte Serum is a one-step product, I apply it right after cleansing, and when I use it, it's the only serum I apply. In the morning, I follow it with sunscreen. At night, I follow it with a night moisturizer. Now, there are 2 ingredients in this product that I want to point out because they're fascinating. One is called tremella mushroom. Now, this is clinically proven to be 10 times more hydrating than hyaluronic acid. The second is lipid lock technology. Now, this is a proprietary system that mimics your skin's natural oils to make sure the stem cell growth factors actually get where they need to go. Now, here is my take. This is a luxury experience. It's fragrance-free and very lightweight, but it feels incredibly high-end on the skin. Now, there's no discount code for this brand, but if you're looking for that one hero product to simplify all of the products you have in your vanity while still getting that Hollywood radiance, the Cell Forte Serum is a beautiful choice. So whether you want the medical grade intensity of Calecim, the clean and simple approach of Symbiome, or the luxury of Angela Caglia, I hope this helps you choose the stem cell skincare that fits your routine and budget. Don't forget that those discount codes for Calecim and Symbiome are in the description box below and in the first comment, along with links to all the products I mentioned. If you have any questions, I'll be in the comments to answer them as always. Now, if you like this today, you'll definitely want to see my last video on how I'm fixing the crepey skin on my neck, chest, and arms. I'll link that here for you on the right side of your screen where you can tap it where you see its image. And I'll see you in the next video.